Let's take a look at this word problem. The difference between the two numbers is 15. If their quotient is 6, what are the numbers? Let's analyze the problem carefully. The problem is about identifying the two numbers. Let's use the variables x and y to represent the two unknown numbers. Then, study the given conditions and write them as equations. The problem states that the difference between the two numbers is 15. The keyword is difference, which means we need to subtract. So our first equation would be x minus y equals 15. It also states that the quotient of these two numbers is 6. We can find the quotient when we divide. This can be written in an equation as x divided by y equals 6. Now we can start solving for the values of x and y. Let's simplify the first equation to help us determine the value of x. We move minus y to the other side of the equation. We now have x equals 15. Minus y will become plus y. This is our new equation. X equals 15 plus y. However, this is still incomplete. We can't tell the value of x unless we know the value of y. But this is not a problem because we can find the value of y in the second equation. Let's rewrite this equation. Instead of the variable x, we use 15 plus y as its equivalent, divided by y equals 6. We need to cancel out the denominator y, and to do that, we have to multiply both equations by y. Now we can cancel the denominator and be left with 15 plus y equals 6y. Move y to the other side of the equation. Now we have 15 equals 6y. Plus y will become minus y. When there is no coefficient before a variable, it is understood to have 1. This can be simplified as 15 equals 5y. Divide both equations by 5 to determine the value of y. 15 divided by 5, we get a quotient of 3, equals to y, or y equals 3. This time, we can determine the value of x. If x is equal to 15 plus y, and the value of y is 3, then x is equal to 18. You can double-check if the values of the two numbers are correct by substituting the values in the original equation. The first one is x minus y equals 15. That makes 18 for x minus 3 for y equals 15. The values fit perfectly for the first equation. How about the second equation? X divided by y equals 6. That makes 18 divided by 3 equals 6. These values are also correct. So it is now clear that the two numbers are 18 and 3.